Introducing Nano Steamer, the original full-size 3-in-1 nano-ionic facial steamer that revolutionized at-home skincare. Why is Nano Steamer better? Nano Steamer is a full-size facial steamer that generates true nano-ionic steam, which is 10 times more effective in penetrating and hydrating your skin than regular steam. Nano Steamer produces 30 minutes of nano-ionic steam. Compare that to imitation steamers that produce 5 to 7 minutes of regular steam. It takes at least 20 minutes to completely hydrate skin cells and open pores for extractions. Use the included 5-piece skin kit to remove skin impurities immediately following facial steaming sessions. Now take advantage of the newly created ionic channeling pathways to deliver your preferred beauty creams and serums into the deeper layers of the skin so you can be sure you are getting their maximum effect. Nano Steamer's longer running time means it can be used as a humidifier. Set it to humidifier mode to moisten and purify the surrounding air while moving particulates and making it easier to breathe. A fan favorite and exclusive to Nano Steamer, the towel warming chamber provides amazingly refreshing, warm, moist towels that are great for de-stressing, providing a boost of energy, and also perfect for quick, chemical-free makeup removal. The original revolution in natural skincare, Nano Steamer by Pure Daily Care.
Introducing the 3-step perfect skin system with Nano Steamer Pro by Pure Daily Care. Get clinical skincare results from the comfort of home. Nano Steamer Pro is a spa-grade ionic steamer that creates flawless skin naturally. Introducing the patented 3-step perfect skin system. Step 1. Open pores and hydrate skin with the nano-ionic steam. Ionic steam hydrates skin 10 times better than a traditional steamer. Step 2. Use the included extraction set and magnification mirror to remove impurities like blackheads. Then apply your preferred serums to newly cleaned pores. Ionic channeling delivers your serums into the deepest layers of the skin for maximum effect. Step 3. Switch to Cool Mist to immediately close and seal treated pores. This locks impurities out of the skin while locking your beauty serums and treatments in. Designed for spas and skincare professionals, delivered to your home. Nano Steamer Pro by Pure Daily Care.